My number one tip for online classes would definitely be being more productive and less don't procrastinate as much, because I'm just a natural procrastinator and I thought I could get past this class and not try. But that was not the case, and I spent my entire winter break just trying to finish it. If you stay on the pacing guide, your life will be 10 times more easier.
A good tip to being successful in an online class is studying in a private space.
Don't wait last minute.
Keep your pace.
Hi, my name is Nora Dublis.
And I'm Avery Green.
And our number one tip is don't procrastinate.
I would recommend doing your work earlier. I think the work really builds as the course goes on and it really snowballs. I think first semester I really let it snowball and that wasn't as productive, and I think this semester if I get the work done early, it really just piles on top, and all of a sudden you're completing the course. You're going to 50 to 60, 70%.